Hey everyone, Nick with Rescue Essentials, and it's time for another Tactical Med Tuesday. Elastic bandages, 3-inch, 4-inch, 6-inch, we all carry them. They're the multi-tool of the first aid kit. You can use them for a lot of different things. Compression for sprains, splinting, compression for lacerations, buddy splinting limbs, that's why we carry them. But if you're trying to carry elastic bandages in small first aid kits or pouches, sometimes they can be a bit bulky, which is why we created the flat elastic bandage. 3-inch and 4-inch elastic bandages with Velcro closure that have been flat folded and vacuum packed to create low profile bandages that'll easily fit into small pouches. 2 4-inch flat elastic bandages combined with a 36-inch SAM splint makes a low profile splinting system that'll easily fit into things like hydration packs or tactical vests. A 24-inch SAM splint combined with our 3-inch flat fold elastic bandage and a triangular bandage makes an even more compact splinting system. For more information on our flat fold elastic bandages or our SAM splint combo packs, check us out at rescue-essentials.com. Stay safe out there.